这河东路啊，看看这大树都给刮倒了，我的妈呀！哎呀，台风来了啊！三亚河东路，往来车辆注意安全。
It started as a tropical disturbance in the South China Sea. But in just a short time, Tropical Storm Wutip has grown into a serious threat, bringing heavy rain, strong winds, and rising fears across Southeast Asia. As of June 13th, Wutip is churning near 18.7 degrees north and 108.3 degrees east, just off the coast of Hainan Island, China. With sustained winds around 70 miles per hour, it remains a strong tropical storm. It's moving slowly to the north-northwest, and forecasters expect it to make landfall over southern Hainan within hours. So what's happening on the ground? Wutip has already left a trail of problems. In central Vietnam, the storm's outer bands have triggered flooding, especially in the coastal city of Da Nang. Emergency crews had to respond to a capsized fishing boat, and some areas have reported minor damage. But the most heartbreaking toll came from the Philippines, where the storm, in its early stages, combined with the southwest monsoon. Over 17,000 people were affected. At least 3 people lost their lives, 1 was injured, and nearly 800 homes suffered damage. Now, as Wutip turns toward China, preparations are in full swing. In Hainan, over 1,300 people have been evacuated from vulnerable areas like Ledong County. Schools have been closed, flights and trains suspended, and fishing fleets recalled to shore. Authorities are warning of torrential rain, 200 to 600 millimeters in some areas, along with damaging winds and rough seas. The storm isn't just impacting China, it's also enhancing the regional southwest monsoon, which is bringing heavy rains and dangerous sea conditions to Thailand, especially along its western coastline and islands in the Andaman Sea. Waves of up to 3 meters are expected. In Hong Kong and Macau, storm signal alerts have been raised. The Hong Kong Observatory has issued the T1 signal, with the possibility of stronger warnings as the storm draws closer. Macau officials say a T3 signal may be issued soon, urging residents to remain alert for coastal flooding and strong gusts. Looking ahead, Wutip is expected to weaken as it crosses Hainan and moves toward mainland China's Guangxi and Guangdong provinces. But even as its winds lose strength, the risk of flooding and landslides remains dangerously high. Meteorologists have also pointed out something unusual. Despite extremely warm ocean waters, the Western Pacific storm season has had a slow start this year. Wutip, arriving in mid-June, marks one of the first named storms of the season. That warm water, however, could mean future storms might grow quickly and hit hard, just like this one. Tropical storm. Wutip is another reminder of how quickly nature can shift from calm to chaos. For those in the storm's path, whether in Vietnam, the Philippines, China, or Thailand, please stay informed, follow local guidance, and take shelter if needed. We'll continue to monitor the situation and bring updates as they come. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing it with others who might be affected. And to everyone facing the storm, stay safe, stay prepared, and look out for one another.